Okay, so I've stopped by Walmart real quick to get my glue sticks, and I'm walking through their garden section right now. I love plants and flowers. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm thinking about getting a garden built, but it might be too late in the year for me to build a garden right now. So, but anyway, let's go in here and get our glue sticks so we can get to the dump and get back home. Are still out of the black spray paint. See, they usually sell black spray paint for $1 and they're out of it. The only one that they got left is the good stuff, and that's $4 a can. And I'm not trying to spend $4 a can. Okay, glue sticks. Should be somewhere in the fabric section, I would think. I don't know. I need a selfie stick. That's what I need. Be down in here. And we need the big ones like that. Yes, big boys. That's what we need. Either the big ones. See, this is Gorilla Glue. That's way more expensive. Let's see here. I think we'll just go with this because it's $6 and strong bond in 30 seconds. Because I think this is really all we need, is just something like this. And this is 20 count of glue. How many's in there? 24. Approved. Thank you. Alright, got our receipt. We went ahead and went with the Gorilla Glue. Might as well get the best. That way I don't have to come back. Alright, so we have our debit card. Alright, we are good to go. Let's go. Walmart. To the Walmart we go. Alright guys. So you have two projects today. One, we're busting out the hot glue gun so we can finish up getting the tiles that we did not get last time with the gun, because they were still being held up in place by the original adhesive. Well, now since that time has come and gone, they're starting to fall, so I'm gonna go ahead and fixate them with the glue gun because that seems to be holding them in place. Also, right here on this wall is where we're going to hang this sign. I went ahead and got my soap and water and I got my level. We're going to lay the sign across, try to find a nice level ground, mark it with a pencil, and go from there. I'm going to go ahead and get my glue gun. While we're messing with the sign, we're going to go ahead and get the glue gun hooked up so it can start getting hot. And yeah, progress. Okay, it's back to being on level. That out. Alright, let's use the credit card because I think that's where I want it. Right there. Okay. And like I said, if you got a spot or a corner that's not sticking right now, just wait. Let the moisture in the soap dry and you'll be able to do it. Now, if you just use water, you will not be able to do this. It has to be mixed with soap. That's very important. Mix it with Dawn dish soap and able to do it. Alright, so now we're on to, we got the HADE up, now we're on to the last part, PC. Key off. Alright. Spray our area. Area sprayed. Apply the P. Alright, so the P's too high. Let's bring it down to our line. There's our line right there. What do y'all think? Should it be spaced out a little? HADE PCs. I think it should be spaced just a little like that. Or maybe a little more. Like that. HADE PCs. I think if we came over just a little, about right there, that will give us enough room. Alright, let's go ahead and flatten our P down. Alright, so our new logo is up, our new sign is up, and it is nice and straight, looks great. Now all I'm going to do, since the heat gun is, or the glue gun is nice and hot, I'm going to go ahead and fix the tiles, but I'm not going to bore you guys with that. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign off and say thank you so much for watching. And as always, you guys be cool and make sure to drop me a like, because I appreciate it, and leave me a comment. It'd be good to have one. You guys be cool. Bye. So I got it cleaned up. Just what I wanted to do. I wanted to get this area straightened and cleaned, and I did. So now everything is organized. I hung some things on the wall, you know, and I put some stuff in there. Magnetic strip to let me, you know, attach things or whatever. But yeah, I finally got it somewhat organized. I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with that thing. I don't know. And then I brought in some boxes and stuff, you know, over there. See how I got those boxes sitting over there to kind of put a little finesse into it. And then of course there's our new sign. It looks good. I'm happy with it. And the set's coming along nicely. So, alright. Job well done today, guys. Tune in till next week, or for the next adventure. I think I'm done for the evening. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Probably gonna blend all this in and make it one long video or something like that. I don't know what I'll do. But, alright guys, until next time, I'll see y'all. Bye.